Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Minecraft Microsoft account not signing in. Alright, let's begin. First, open Minecraft and try signing in again using your Microsoft account. Make sure you're entering the correct email address and password, as incorrect credentials are one of the most common causes of sign-in issues. Next, open the Play Store or App Store and check for Minecraft updates. If an update is available, install it and relaunch the game. Running an outdated version can sometimes prevent the sign-in process from working properly. After that, restart your device. A simple reboot can clear temporary glitches that may be interfering with Minecraft or Microsoft account services. If you're using a VPN or private DNS service, disable it temporarily and try signing in again. You should also check your internet connection. Switch to a more stable Wi-Fi network or mobile data connection if needed. If the issue continues, go to your device settings and open apps. Inside, search for Minecraft and select it. Next, get to the storage section and tap on the clear data feature. You can also force stop the app before reopening it. Finally, verify that your Microsoft account is active and not locked. So that's basically how you can fix Minecraft Microsoft account not signing in. That's it for this video. Thanks.